Before we look into creating our first Cypress automated test, let's just quickly run over Mocha. So if we was to access the following URL, we will be presented with the official Mocha homepage. So what exactly is Mocha? Mocha comes pre-bundled with two function calls, which are describe and it. Both have their own specific purpose. So describe is a simple way to group our tests in Mocha, basically enabling us to group a series of tests together. Describe takes two arguments. The first argument is the name of the test group, and the second argument is simply the callback function. Simply put, a callback is a function that is to be executed after another function has finished executing, hence the name callback. So it is a way to describe each individual test case which is nested inside the describe block. It should be described in a way that makes sense for the given test case. So describe is used to define and group tests. It is used to define individual test cases. So now let's have a look at an example. So first of all, we have our describe block, and the description is test contact us form WebDriver unit. Then we have our it block, and the individual test is should be able to submit a successful submission via the contact us form. And as you can see, inside that it block, we are calling our Cypress commands to perform the given test actions. We also have another it block defined inside the describe block. And the second individual test has a description of should not be able to submit a successful submission via the contact us form as all fields are required. And again, we have our Cypress commands nested inside that it block to perform the test actions. So in summary, describe is used to define multiple tests, and it is used to define individual tests. And as you can see from the following example, we have two it blocks or two individual tests defined inside our describe block, which describes multiple test cases.